What's up, guys? So welcome to our next video. So today's video is going to be a trade breakdown, where a breakdown go for you guys. I'm going to be showing you an awesome trade that I took last week. It's going to be a 1000 pip breakdown. You guys are going to see how we demolished the market and how we took 1000 pip off some trades, right? So you guys are going to see that breakdown right now, right? So ensure you like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, and let me know below, guys, if you want me to do a weekly breakdown, right? We can turn this into a series if you guys want to, because you know we kill the market every single week. I even have an awesome one behind me right now that I'm about to do a next video for you guys on. So let me know, guys, in the comment section if you guys would love the content, love the breakdown, and let us turn it into a series. If you guys love it, smash the like button. Let's get a 50+ likes on this video, and I'll definitely be dropping the next one. So go into the video and let's hop right into it. Alright, guys, so we're on the charts now. So as you can see, you see my chart right here. So what I'm going to be doing, as I said before, I'm going to be breaking down these two trades, massive trades. One of them 195 pips, the other one we're looking at 360 pips. This was like just two trades within 1 week, right? So we only took two trades for the whole entire week. So I'm going to be explaining the entire thought process and everything behind those trades and why those trades were successful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now for you guys. So the first thing we're looking at is our daily, right? So I normally only on my 30-minute time frame on goal. However, for this one, for the past 2 weeks, I've just been hopping around, utilizing my daily a bit more on the closure of each day, so I can definitely identify levels to where my currency is heading, targets that I'm going to meet in a long-term basis, and try to, you know, find that intraday entry and try to meet that daily target. So for before the day we were here, right? So we're here, so we had just this candle right here closing below this area. So the moment I saw this candle close below this area, right, I knew then and there the market could have done one or two things. The market could have formed a failure to break and went all the way back up to this region up here, which we had a lot of consolidation. But the thing is, the market has been consolidating above 1720, or staying above the 1720 for a very long time. But what we saw here in this bearish candle, we had a break below 1720, right? We had that bearish momentum coming into the market. So right here we had that bearish momentum. So what that would do, that would then push the market down more to that 1680 region, our target right here. So on my chart, right, woke up my normal 2 a.m, right, as you can see, normal 2 a.m, and this was about, which day was it? I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Let me look on my yeah, Tuesday, because Monday was a very slow day. So Monday, it was a bit fast, but it was a bit slow as well for me. So because I don't place trades before I go to sleep, so we were up here before on Monday, and then what happened, I'm breaking down the entire chart, showing my entire thought process, everything that is going through my head, my entire routine, everything, guys. So I'm breaking down everything in this YouTube video and showing you how I would do everything, how I execute everything. So I'm up 2 a.m. right here, and as you can see, I'm just bouncing between my zones, right? However, then we had a break of my zone. There's a huge candle pushing all the way down, right, at around 8:30. So we had this candle pushing all the way around, right? Didn't get any trade on the Monday. I didn't see anything that is in line with my trading plan, so I don't place a trade. So market pushes down, right? We are right here now. So this is where I woke up at 2. Let me zoom in now. This is where I zoom in. So woke up at 2. What happened? We had a break of this area, right? Simple. So you guys, I keep it simple and precise, right? Break and retest right here, right? Continue pushing down. But remember, the remember what we had in our daily. So our daily here closed like this on the Monday. So on the Tuesday, we're already below this level, right? So on the Tuesday, guess what we're looking for? We're looking forward to go into that 1680 region. We'll come here, we got our entry at 1700. Where's our TP? 1680. Our first TP, 1695. That's our first area of interest. And after a couple hours, I would say this trade, even though this trade caught a lot of pips, it didn't last for long. This trade actually lasts for around, it wasn't long for me because I didn't get my entry. I got my first entry at around 330 or thereabout, and then I scaled in on my second entry at 4, because I like to break up my orders. I don't just place one big order. I like to break up my orders. That is something that I teach my students in my course about breaking up your orders, order management. So I love to break up my orders, so I place more than one order on this trade, right, with the 1680 TP. And as you can see, alarm at 1681. As soon as we hit that alarm, boom, trade close right there. So we end up coming about I think I was around 100 and about 90 pips, right? Not the exact 195, around 190 pip on one setup, and then on the other one I caught about 180. So that's how much I caught on each trade. And as you can see, we just utilize the daily right there to find that daily target. But then something interesting comes into play. We then, as soon as we came down here, I knew exactly what we were gonna do. As soon as we reject this area, we can then expect the push back up to 1720. You can see right here as well. You see, we have that rejection right here, then we get that push right back up to 1720. Then guess what? The next daily after 1720 closes above this region as well. But you see right here, pushes up, next day pushes up past 1720. Exactly the same thing that we have here. It's a probability game, guys. You have to know how to read the market, and the market will keep on repeating itself. So go back on the charts, right? So come our next day, wake up at our 2 a.m. as you can see, wake up right here with this candle right here. Guess what we're doing? We're waiting, we're just waiting. So waiting for either to push at our zone, but then guess what? Something interesting keep happening, right? I noticed that the market keep rejecting this area, This is why it is very interesting, and it is very, I recommend this, breaking up your orders, right? Not gonna go into the specifics of it, as it is something that I keep key to my students. Breaking up your order, right? So I place my first order right here. As you can see, I don't utilize a stop loss. That's why you can't even see this level right here. I don't utilize a stop loss. That is not something that I utilize within my trading strategy. So I don't utilize a stop loss. So you wouldn't see me using a stop loss right here. What I look for is a breaking structure. So I know structure is all the way down here. That's why I put this all the way down here. So if structure gets broken right here, then I would exit my trade. Other than that, I'm staying in my trade. So I enter my first position on this pullback right here. Right here, this pullback right here, this is where I entered my position at around 7 o'clock. Entered that position. The moment we started to push up, I entered the next position right here, right at this region right here. I entered the next position, right? I was able to do that because I'm breaking up my orders, right? I'm not just putting one big order on the market. So left the trade, right? Left the trade. Trade was right all the way up here. So this, I'm gonna insert the screenshot when it was all the way up here. I think I have a screenshot when it was right here when I just entered as well, right? And I have a screenshot for the sell, so I'm gonna input all of those screenshots. So as you can see right here, right, we were right here in the screenshot. So in the screenshot we were up around 312 pips, right? 312 pips in that screenshot. And yeah, guys, I know massive trade, right? What comes around trade management, right? So in that order, we then secured 50 pips, 50%, I mean. So even though we're up 300, we secured 150, right? So I secured all the way down here. So I give the market room. I give the market room to breathe, right? So I secured 150, just went to sleep, just left the order, set the TP at 1720, and then guess what happened? Boom. This area that you see me mark off here, we came back here, we retested this region. When we retested this region on the right here, I was sleeping. Yo, when I woke up and I saw this, when I woke up at 2, alright, when I woke up at 2 and I saw it right here, yo, and I saw the retest right here, this was another scaling opportunity, especially because we were up around about 200 and something pips right here. We could have definitely, you know, put on some bigger lot size on that as well. But yeah, we didn't catch that move. We didn't catch the scaling in opportunity. However, woke up right around here, and I ended up closing the trade at around 17.19. I think it was 17.19.2 or something like that. Ended up closing the trade, right? Was a relatively good trade. Good trade. But if you trust me, guys, it was a very patient trade because we entered this trade on the 31st from around 3 a.m. and we didn't get to come out of the trade until April 1st, right? Which was yesterday. So we didn't come out of the trade until around yesterday. I will come out of it before market close, and as you can see, the market pushed up right up to 1730. But however, we achieved our target, achieved our aim, right? Over here, you know, we didn't catch it from 1720 to 1680. However, we caught it from 1700 to 1680, bagging around 190 plus pips. And that one setup with 190, and one setup with 300, and I think it was overall it was 300 and around 50 pips on one setup, and then the next setup was around 340 pips, right? So yeah, we ended the week with over almost 1,000 pips. Almost 1,000 pips for the week. Was a relatively good week, right? As you can see, it's not how often you trade, guys. It's just to find those high quality setups, be patient with them, have proper trade management before you even enter the trade, so you know exactly what you're going to do, right? I'm above 300 pips. I'm securing 150 pips, giving the market room to breathe. I'm not like Gigi and say, all right, then I'm 300 pip up. It's the first time I'm seeing 300 pip. Let me put a trailing stop of 10 pip. It's goal. It's going to go back down by 10 pips. So a proper trade management, when I'm up huge amounts over 200 pips, I definitely secure 50% along the way. So 50% along the way, 50% along the way, until we move up to our TP. As soon as I hear that TP alarm, the thing is, you will hit TP in trading view, however not hit TP in MT4 because of your spread. So I find that happening a lot of the time. So because of that, I just set my TP alarm. The moment my alarm goes off, I don't sit there and wait for my trade to go, then to go hit TP again, right? When my trade hit the alarm, boom, as you can see, guys, it's volume. The volume right here, you hit the alarm right here, and then boom, the volume caused you to reverse at around 100 pips. So what if the setup that you had entered was this setup? You would have probably reversed back 100 pips and come back down on your entry, and then you exit the trade, right? So I know that, so I just set an alarm. The moment my trade hit my alarm, I just go on my MT4 and manually close it. Boom. Trade close. Yes, I might miss out a 5 pip or a 10 pip or 15 pip, but guess what? My trade is closed. I got that money, right? That's added to my trading account, and then we're good, right? No open position. As you can see, we came up, we got that early close, you know, because it's Good Friday the next day, so we have that early close. And we were supposed to record this video from 2 days ago because I wanted to do a tracking for this video, but yeah, it went up to the targets very early, so we didn't get to do that tracking. So was relatively two awesome trades, guys. Two very good trades, and happily to share this trade with you guys, right? We're definitely having some more market breakdowns coming along the way, especially in the upcoming week. I'm trying to do one every week, so I'm going to showcase a trade that I take every single week, right? Get you guys sharpen more on those technicals, right? Then we'll have our normal videos, get you guys sharpen up on that psychology, right? So very good, guys, very good. Was a very good week, right? Some people said it was slow, some people said it was fast, right? But relatively good week. Every week is a good week for me. Even if it's a week that I lose $5,000, it is a good week for me because still learning, right? You still have a learning experience from your experience within the market. If you view it as that, every week will be a good week for you. The weeks that you learn is a good week for you. The weeks that you're successful is a good week for you. The weeks that you take off and you take a break from the charts is a good week for you because you're thinking of the market like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Ensure you like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, right? And thank you very much again, guys. Big up yourself.